Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing the battery pack. Static and stray power will ruin delicate parts. Once done, flip the controller and remove the 11 screws using a T8 Torx and a small Phillips for the battery door screw. Make sure to keep screws labeled by location. Next, use a plastic spudger to pry the shell at the seam. Apply even pressure and work around slowly, because clips can snap if you rush. Pull the halves apart so the PCB and bumper assembly are visible. With the shell open, unscrew the PCB mount screws and carefully lift the board, watching the ribbon cable. Disconnect only if needed. You want to inspect the bumper arm, the small spring or membrane, the rubber contact pad, and the micro switch beneath. If the pad is torn or the spring deformed, the bumper will feel mushy or fail. Clean both the pad and metal contact with 90% isopropyl and replace the rubber or spring if you see cracks. This restores firm tactile action. Reseat the PCB and ribbon exactly as observed. Align the bumper arm and rubber pad, then snug the mounting screws, tight enough to hold but not strip. Snap the shell halves together and insert battery, then power on to test the bumper. Press several times to confirm tactile click and game input response. If it feels off, reopen and adjust pad alignment or swap the micro switch. Replacing the worn switch or spring usually fixes persistent stickiness. Make sure you retest after any part swap to confirm success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.